Good morning, everybody. So for today's lesson is tuturuan ko kayo on how to say excuse me in Korean and some different ways. So let's go for the the literal translation of excuse me here in Korea. So you can use it when talking to the strangers or talking to anyone you meet on the streets and you wanted to be excused. So the very first one is you can say 실례합니다. 실례합니다. So that is the literal translation of excuse me dito sa Korea. So 실례합니다. 실례합니다. So for example, someone is blocking your way and you wanted to get through, you can say 실례합니다. 지나가겠습니다. 실례합니다. 실례합니다. Okay, so remember, if someone is blocking your way and you wanted to get through, you can say 실례합니다. But meron pang isa, guys. You can also say 죄송합니다. Actually, the literal translation of 죄송합니다 is actually I'm sorry. But you can also use it as excuse me, because it feels like if the situation is as if you wanted yourself to be excused to ask for someone's favor. So you can say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. I'm sorry, but can you help me do this or that? Okay, remember two ways to say the polite form. The two ways, excuse me, in the polite form to say is 실례합니다 and then 죄송합니다. So you can choose either. Remember, if you wanted to get through, you can say 실례합니다. But if you wanted to ask for someone's favor, you can say 죄송합니다. Okay, but there are more actually. So let's go to the standard form of saying excuse me. Actually, mas madalas ko siyang naririnig, guys, compare sa 죄송합니다 at saka sa 실례합니다. So these three, they're very common. So naririnig ko siya anywhere. So you can actually say 잠시만요. 잠시만요. Or you can also say 잠깐만요. 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 잠시만요. So magkaparehas lang to ng meaning. Parang one moment, wait a moment. Parang you're asking someone for you wanted yourself to be excused. You wanted a little bit of their time. So you can say 잠시만요 or 잠깐만요. So magkaparehas lang ng meaning. So mamili lang kayo dyan kung alin yung gagamitin niya. But 잠시만요 or 잠깐만요. You can actually use the yo form. So you can say 잠깐만 or 잠시만. So but be careful to use it in yung sa tingin yung mga bata, yung hindi nyo ka-level ng age, or ayun, you can take off the you form. You can say 잠시만, 잠깐만. So, pwede yung sabihin sa mga bata, yung mas bata sa inyo yung kausap nyo. Or meron pang isa, guys. So remember 잠깐만요 and 잠시만요, you can use it when you are literally asking for someone to ask for some favor. You wanted to get through, you wanted to ask from favor informally. And then meron pang isa, guys. You can also say 여기요. 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 So you can use this form of excuse me if you are trying to catch someone's attention. Like for example, if you are in a cafeteria, you're in a restaurant and you were asking for the waiter's attention, so you can say 여기요. 여기요. So you can say also be careful. Okay, so ito madalas ko siyang naririnig sa mga cafeteria and a restaurant. You can also take off the you form and say 여기. So but be careful to use it kapag tingin nyo mas bata sa inyo yung kausap nyo. So in polite form to say, you can just take off the yo form and just say 잠시만, 잠깐만, 여기. But it is much better to say it with you. Okay? So, yun lang, guys. I hope you learn. Thank you for watching. Bye!